Inflation in the United States has jumped 7% over the last 12 months.
You can't miss it. You can't escape this kind of inflation because it is widespread. You're seeing at the grocery store in food prices, meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Prices there up 12.5% from a year ago. Gas prices up 50%. Rents up almost 4% from a year ago. And used car prices, if you're shopping for a new car, it's going to cost you money because used car prices are up a whopping near 40%.
But grocery stores are already struggling to fill empty shelves, and people can expect to pay record high prices for their holiday food.
You might think the shelves in all our stores are empty across the country.
Virtually every part of the experience is going to cost you more this year than it did last year as we head into the Thanksgiving week.
That's not what's happening.
The cost of what's on your table is up 14% from a year ago for a table of 10 from that turkey, which is up 24% in cost. The average $23.99 for a Thanksgiving turkey.
It's highly unlikely that's going to be long-term inflation that's going to get out of hand.
The supply chain is in crisis.
You found some empty shelves.